Welcome back to another grocery haul. Today we have a Save-A-Lot grocery haul, and I have several things to share with you, several meals, packs of meat, and a lots of cans because we did a can stock up, and I plan on making vegetable soup as well, so you need several cans for that. So let's get started. I did pick up some of these scalloped potatoes and the au gratin potatoes. From Walmart. There is a couple Walmart items mixed in here, so I did get some of that sauce. I can never pronounce it right, I'm not even gonna try. I got yellow mustard, mayo, 4 cans of mixed veggies, 5 cans of cut green beans, 2 whole potatoes, 3 sliced potatoes, 2 cream style sweet corns, 2 sliced carrots. I also got a cut sweet potato. I got a can of crushed tomatoes, and the sun's going down, so sorry it's a bit dark. I did get 3 pinto beans, 4 cans of tuna and water. I got 2 cans of chicken broth for chicken and gravy recipe. Just so yummy. If you've not tried it yet, try it out. And this is from Walmart. I got 6 cans of sweet peas. Save-A-Lot did not have any peas, not 1 can of peas in the whole store, so I picked those up at Walmart. So here is my stocking up my can veggie cabinet. At Walmart, I had to get some Mandarin Oranges. They did not have the Mandarin Oranges, the smaller ones for kids, at Save-A-Lot, so this is what I wanted. And so I got these, picked these up at Walmart. I got a loose tomato at Save-A-Lot the other day. Oh, I also picked up a bag of potatoes, not shown here. It is actually still in the living room. But the other day I already picked up bananas and grapes and some stuff like that at Walmart. Some apples too. So I already have that. And along with the cans, just in case anybody was wondering, I have a freezer full of frozen broccoli and cauliflower, mixed veggies, and frozen rice, also in the steam packs, so go along with all of this stuff, but I just prefer the cans for my vegetable soup. And I did pick up one of their big bags of the Fruity Wringers cereal. This used to be the Circus O's, basically, but this is their 1 pound 12-ounce bag, and Connor and Allie, the kids love to eat this dry, so I just picked up a big bag of that. Yeah, this isn't a great big haul, but we did spend $94 and got about 8 meals and all this can stock up, if you can believe it. You can't do that at Walmart. And not all Save-A-Lots do this, but we did pick up a pick 5. So basically you could pick 5 things in this category. It can be meat or random other things along throughout the store, and pay $20, $19.99 for them. So in this deal, I got a pound of ground beef. I got some cube steaks. I also got 4 pre-patty ground beef patties, and a pack of the boneless ribs, and then I got a pack of the pepperonis. See what I'm saying? You can mix and match throughout the entire store for your $20 for 5 packages, and I usually always get it in some kind of meat. That way you're technically getting a pack of meat for free, in a sense. And then last but not least, I picked up, they didn't have any stew meat at Save-A-Lot, so at Walmart I picked up some stew meat for $6.19. And then I also got 2 big packages of the pork steaks, so there's 3 each in these. This one's $5.72, this one is $5.15. These are awesome. If you've never eaten one of their pork steaks, blade steaks, they're really good. And then I found a reduced pack that was in their pick 5, but now it's reduced for quick sale. It was $3.62 for 2 giant steaks. And the other day at Walmart, I got a big bag of chicken, pork tenderloin, and ground turkey also. So I just got some of the bigger meats. I also have a chuck roast as well. So we are set for the next 2.5 weeks and meals. And I just love Save A Lot so much, you guys. $94. And that included 7 packages of meat, all the cans, and some condiments and some cereal, and also 6 gallons of water for $94. So you really cannot beat that. And these are so good and tender in the oven, and you just season them up, put them in the oven in a pan, have veggies on the side. It's so good. And the stew meat, if you're wondering, is for beef stew. And like I said, we're going to have vegetable soup. We'll have cheeseburgers one night, cube steaks one night, ribs, and the pepperonis were just like to snack on if you're wondering about those. And yeah, and that's my Save A Lot haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, I'm going to link the In the Kitchen playlist as well as the What's for Dinner stuff in the description box, so you can have some dinner ideas. And yeah, so stay tuned for more grocery hauls and In the Kitchen videos. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.